Many people will be familiar with the LED strips that are optional for the Ultrix UMX. Lots of different patterns to choose from. All very pretty and fantastic for flying at dusk or even in complete darkness. But what's this? Where's the plane? Well, there is no plane. I've developed this little microcontroller board that provides the same functionality as the plane itself. Before the LEDs were available in Europe, I made up my own strips to connect to the plane, and they worked pretty well. Link up there to that particular video. And when I put that video up on the RC Groups thread on the Ultrix, link to that down in the description, somebody said, wouldn't it be great if somebody came up with a board that would do the same thing so that we could put these LEDs on any plane of our choosing? And I took that as somewhat of a challenge, as I do, and this is the result. My question to you is, where does it go from here? Is this something that you'd be interested in purchasing? If so, what sort of price would you be prepared to pay? Would you like it as a kit? Maybe as a finished product that you could just plug in, or maybe just the processor board programmed itself? Let me know either down in the comments, or even better, join the discussion on the RC Groups threads, again linked down in the description. I await your feedback with interest.